Welcome back to Chapter 3 of our Deep Dive Explainer series. So far, we've covered the challenges of clinical documentation. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the solution. EasyScribe, an intelligent ambient recording tool designed to fit perfectly into your medical practice. We know that administrative tasks can lead to burnout. EasyScribe was built to help you reclaim your pajama time and focus on what matters most, your patients. Let's walk through how this simple, effective tool transforms your consultation workflow. With EasyScribe, there's no complicated setup. All you need to do is hit record and talk naturally. Whether you're in the exam room or on a telehealth call, the AI captures the conversation just like you're talking to a colleague. No dictation or punctuation required. Our advanced speech-to-text models work in real time, filtering out small talk and focusing on the medically relevant details. It understands complex terminology and varied accents, ensuring every nuance of the patient encounter is captured accurately. In moments, EasyScribe's AI engine crafts a comprehensive SOAP note. It categorizes the history, physical findings, and your plan into a professional medical format. It's truly magical how fast it works. Within seconds of stopping the recording, your note is ready for review. To make your billing even easier, the power of AI suggests the most relevant ICD-10 codes, automatically based on your diagnosis and plan. This reduces your search time and helps ensure your documentation supports your coding with clinical precision. Finally, integrate your notes seamlessly with your existing electronic health record. Whether you use Epic, Cerner, or any other system, it's a simple copy-paste and you're done. No complex IT integrations are needed. It just works with your current setup. EasyScribe is transforming how we manage patient documentation, allowing you to clock out when your last patient does. Join us in the next chapter to explore more advanced features like bilingual support. Thank you for watching.